Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM Advanced Concept series, in this video we are going to discuss about using APM built-in method how to simulate mobile plug, disconnect and connect. Okay, that is just say simulate the plugging, unplugging the device charger. Okay. See, in APM provides the built-in device power control methods. Okay, and we can able to use this method both for Android emulator and rooted devices. Okay. See, we'll see that is what is the exact the command is. So there is a command called set power AC. Okay, by using this command set power AC, we can able to simulate the plugging, unplugging the device charger. That is the AC power charger. Okay, and it accepts only one parameter, that is the state, and the type is a string. And we had if we provide on means to simulate the charging, off means to simulate the unplugging. Means on means plugging the device with the charger, off means unplugging the device with the charger. Okay, you see. Okay, this is all about the description. Now we'll write the code and we'll demonstrate how exactly it works. Okay, so open the Eclipse. Okay, and under the advanced APM concepts package, I'll create a package. I'll create a class, new class, and name this class as plug and unplug plug unplug device charger. Okay, so we start from the caps here. Okay, plug unplug device charger demo. So I name the class as plug and unplug the device charger demo here. Click on finish. So class is ready. So we copy the before test and after test code from the sample to save the time. Just copy this one and paste it in the our class and just do the small modification. Remove the package name here and want a package name. Just change the class name. Small changes we need to do it. Okay, so that we are doing this one to save the time. Okay, instead of writing once again the before test annotation code and after test annotation code. Okay, just copy the from the sample so that we can directly jump into the our concept here. Okay, so before going to it, so under the before test annotation, I have used the setup method where I am configuring the defining the capabilities. So I am using the platform name, automation name, and device name. Here it is pixel 6. Okay, yeah, okay, done. So our setup method is done, is ready, and in tear down method, I'm just quitting the driver. Okay, that's it. So, have you seen the PPT? We have a method called set power AC. By using this set power AC, I can simulate the plugging and unplugging the device charger. Okay, so go back here and just type. So you see here, our first I open Eclipse. See, currently it says it is unplugged status. So this status is the unplugged status. Okay, you see the right top corner, the battery symbol. Okay, it now symbol this the plain white is known as the unplugged status. Okay, now I want to change to plugged with the device charger. Okay, so we say we use driver dot set power AC method, and we had used the power AC state. Just a minute. Yeah, power AC state is enum, and we have two methods here, on and off. Okay, now I need to on. You know, right? What is on means? On means you are plugging the device charger. Off means we are unplugging the device charger. Okay, so here plugging the device charger. Okay, and after the dot sleep, I use after 5 seconds, I want to disconnect the charger. The dot sleep. Let's say 5,000 milliseconds, and now I want to unplug the charger. So unplugging the charger, device charger. Okay, this is charger. Okay, okay, and the same I want to print the console. Just copy this one, paste it here. Here also I want to print in the console. Okay, and I have connected the charger, right? I want to disconnect the charger. The driver dot set power AC method, and we have to use the enum power AC state off. Means I am disconnecting the charger. That's it. Okay. Now we run this code and check the plug-in unplugging the device charger. So before that one, just start the Appium server, the command prompt. So our Appium server is getting ready. So you may think why we want this type of method. Okay. See, suppose I want to check how my app will respond. Okay. So, to charger plug-in, uncharged plug-in. Okay, we say plug in the charger, unplug the charger. So in that case, how my app will respond to the particular situation. Suppose in your app we have, okay, I want to placing a order. I'm placing the order in the process. What happened? The battery was down. I just connected to the charger. So how the particular app will react? Is that particular placing the order will stop? So that type of behavior I need to check. To simulate the type of situation, I can use this method, set power AC, where we can simulate the plug disconnect and connect the device charger. Okay, this is the use of this method. Okay, as per our requirement, you can use it here. Okay, here if you observe, it is the unconnect means unplugged state. Okay, and now I'll run this command. So I'll run this script, test ng test. So you can observe the right top corner, the icon will change. So observe the right corner. Say unplugging the charger. Yes, you see, plugged it here. The change here. Unplugging the device charger. See, it's changed. Okay, this is how we can able to simulate the condition here. Okay, and one more thing, I want to use this thing with the script here. Okay, we'll take any script which is in the working state. So I go for the parallel testing. I get the script which is in working state here. Just copy the script. So I want to demonstrate this script. When our script is running, I want disconnect and connect here. Okay, just here, paste the script here, and just see this here. I want to place it. Okay, here now it is unplugged, right? Now it is unplugged state. Now I want to plug it here. Just copy this one and place this there. So this is in between. I'm scrolling. Say I'm performing the scrolling here. Okay. They in between the scrolling, I want to unplug here. The same thing. Then I want to plug here. So I already kept it here. Here I want to paste it here. And after 5 seconds, I want to connect the once again to the arm. Okay. So what I did here, I just copy the some code from the other script. When the script is running, so when I'm performing some action on the API demos app, That is, I'm performing the scrolling here. So in between, I will plug the device charger and I unplug the device charger. Okay, this one I want to simulate here. So previously we have did directly from the method. I just did charger and charger here, plugging and plugging here. So when the script is running, I want to see how it respond here. Okay, so just copy some code. I just copy the code from the API demos app which is working here. So just copy that one and just place this set power AC. Okay, there I am connecting to the device charger and unconnecting the device charger here. Okay, so run it. Run as a test in the test. It has opened the API demos app. So this functionality we are using for the scrolling. So while scrolling, I want to simulate the plug and unplugging the device charger so that we can see how our app will respond to this simulation. Just I'm giving example here. See, you can just see the icon here. Now it is connected. Means it is not affecting my app. That is plugging unplugging to the device charger. So unplugging device charger after 5 seconds it will plug. So that see it is not affecting my app. Means my app is working fine when I simulate the condition. Okay, when my app is in between some process, I am connecting and disconnecting the mobile charger. So to simulate this one, I can able to use the command method called set power AC, and this set power AC is a built-in method in our APM. Okay, and you can able to use this method for Android emulator and rooted device. Okay, so this is how we can able to simulate the plug and unplug the device charger. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.